The product menu is set up in the interface for administrators. So you would go to app settings and look for these particular settings. So the first one that we're looking at is the enhanced experience for adding products. So this is for adding products to opportunities, quotes, orders, and invoices, the line items or the details for those header records. Once you enable that, you can actually go down and edit the view that is available to you as you're looking up the products that you're going to add into these product lines, again, on these header records. And so you have the ability to do that right from here once this is enabled. And then here's a screenshot of what it looks like. I'll jump into my trial environment in just a moment, but you can see now that this gives us the ability to quickly add multiple lines at once to, let's say, a quote or an order. Jumping back into the trial environment for a second, we have then, we'll just stick with our 3D printers here for a moment. I'm going to close the chats channel. And after this loads for a second, you may be familiar with working on an opportunity, and here are those product lines. And we can add a new product. And this is where we get this enhanced view. So rather than having to add one line, save and close, and a second line, save and close, now we can add multiple lines with a couple of clicks. And then we'll add 2 of those and 5 of these. And save those 2 new lines to the opportunity, adding on to the total value that we're getting out and starting to gather a quote for our particular customer. Now, in addition to that menu that we looked at in the settings, there is another setting for being able to create products in the active state. And so let's see if we can go there for just a second. And we're going to go to app settings and come down to product catalog settings here. So here's our enabled for adding that new look, for adding products quickly. And then you'll find below that are some general settings. One of those settings is to create products in an active state. And what that means is, hey, if we have administrators who have permissions to create products, they don't go through those extra clicks to create a product and publish it. When a product is created, it's created in an active state and is ready to use. Another setting further down here is to make the price list optional. So if you're working with, say, just a single price list for all of your products across all of your customers, you can save some configuration, set up even user clicks if you make the price list optional, because it's all coming from one price list, whether you're creating an opportunity or whether you're creating a quote, invoice, or order. So those are available too. I just wanted to point out those extra things as we go.